Hi students, today we're going to start Turtle Part 3, and actually the idea is, let's say we need to draw a triangle with this way, and we need also to fill this triangle with a specific color. So how we can do it? So to fill an image, we have to start with something called T begin underscore fill bracket. And when we start it, we draw whatever we like, and after that we end it by T end underscore fill bracket. So you see here right away, if I start from the beginning, I said T forward 100, perfect. After that, T left 120, that means I need to go left 120. After that, forward 100, perfect. And for sure the turtle has this direction. So if I ask again for left 120, it's gonna go with this side, and after that, if I ask forward 100, it will close. And since I start with begin fill and I end by T end fill, it's gonna fill the whole thing. Now someone will ask me, why did you choose 120? Why did you choose 120? You see here, the idea is forward 100, forward 100, forward 100. That means this is gonna give me equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, you know very well that the angle inside is 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. So the supplement of 60 degree is 120. The supplement of this 60 degree is 120. So I don't have any choice. I have to do it with this way. So let's do this small example. So I imported the turtle. I asked to get the turtle screen. I asked to have T as a turtle as usual. Now I'm going to start to see T dot begin, and don't forget begin underscore fill, and after that bracket. So now it's gonna start to put in their mind that they're gonna fill anything I'm gonna draw. Now I can say T forward 100. After that, the T, it need to be for the left. How many? 180 degree. So left means LT 120 degree. After that, I'm gonna make T forward again the 100th step or 100 unit. After that, I'm gonna ask again for T left. So T LT with 120 degree. And after that, the last T forward to run for 100 unit. And don't forget, you have to end the fill. So T end underscore fill bracket. So let's run this one and see how it's gonna be. Here we go. I'm gonna repeat again, run model. So you saw it went 100, left 120 degree, 100 unit, left 120 degree, 100 unit, and it filled the gap here with black fill. Can I change the color? Yes, we can change it soon, and you're gonna see that in the next few minutes. So this is how to fill the drawing with any color. Changing the turtle shape. If I want to change the turtle shape, I can ask to have a turtle, arrow, circle. So someone will tell me, okay, when you run this one, what is the shape? This one, what is this shape? We call it classic. So let's see, I want to change the shape of the turtle to something else. Let's say I need circle. So I'm gonna write T dot shape circle. Let's see how it's gonna be. So I'm gonna go to the program that I run it. After T turtle, sorry, I can ask T dot shape and double quotation. Oops, I wrote this one in the idle. I don't need it in the idle. Sorry, this is not the correct thing. I need it to in my program here. So here I'm gonna say T dot shape double quotation. I'm gonna make it circle, for example. So now you're gonna notice that it's gonna replace the classic shape to circle. So let's run it. Oops, it gave me error message because I put capital C. This is a good example to see why it gave me this error message, so I have to be careful. Here we go. So it changed the classic shape to a circle. Let's say I want to use a triangle, for example. I can choose triangle, and this time I'm gonna make sure that I don't do the same mistake. I'm not gonna put capital T, and I run it. Can you see the shape is triangle? Let's say I want square, and I run it, and you see its shape of square. So if I want to get it as original, or I leave it like that by default, or I change it to classic, but if I remove it with this way, it can return back to its original, which is a classic, and you see here the small. So this is how to change the turtle shape. So the classic shape is the original shape. Now I go to something else, how we can change the pen speed. If I type 10 speed 1, we will see right away it's gonna give me the speed of 1, which is I can really know how it's drawing, but I can increase the speed to 10, and this is going to make it very fast. So let's try it here. We're going to go to the original here, and after the turtle I'm going to make T dot speed. Instead, I'm sure 100% this is 1, I'm going to change it to 9. So see the difference, how it's going to be. As soon as I click run and OK, it's going to make it very, very quickly. See? Oh, we didn't even get the time to focus what they are doing. But if I change it to 1, it's going to be a little bit slower, so we can see exactly how it's drawing. Perfect. What is really the beginning? It's 0. So you see here the range is from 0 to 10. So that means if I go for 0, this is really going to be the slowest one. I'm gonna run it again. Okay, I'm gonna make it as 1 and run it. Perfect. If I go to the middle, which is 5, it's going to be slower, faster, and the 10 is going to be really the fastest one. So I'm going to change it to 10. This 5 is going to be very fast, that maybe we cannot notice how it's drawing. Whoa, right away, very quickly, because it's 10. So I'm going to remove it now to make it as a standard one, as maybe 2 or 3. Perfect. Now, can you see this one? It's saying customizing in online. I need something with pen color purple, fill color orange, pen size 10, pen speed 9. So how can I do that? You can see right away here it's saying T, pen color purple, fill color orange, and we can play with the speed and something like that. So let's change this small thing, pen color purple and fill color with orange, and see what it's gonna change in my program. So I'm gonna start it right away after the T turtle. So I'm gonna say T dot pen color, and I'm gonna say the pen color that I want, purple, to double quotation, purple, double quotation, and I'm gonna make the fill color orange, so T fill color, double quotation, the orange, and be careful we don't type with capital letter as I did before, and see now the difference how it gonna be if I click OK. Here we go. So the pen color was purple and orange. Actually, I cannot see the purple because maybe the thickness, it's very small, so I don't see it. So let's change the pen size. So I'm gonna make it T dot pen size. I'm gonna make the size here clear to, let's say, 10, to see the difference and to see the color. If I run it, it's more color now. The pen size is 10 and it's closing everything, and the fill color is orange. What else I can do? I can make it faster a little bit if I want. So instead of the 1, I can make it maybe at 5. So I can play again with T speed, and I'm gonna make 10. Sorry, not 10, I'm gonna make it 5, and I'm gonna run it. It's faster and it do the shape. Now, can I save some line here? Pen color purple, fill color orange, pen size 10, speed 5. Can I do something to make it in one line? Yes, there is an option to do it in one line. If you see here, you can make T pen, and I open the bracket and I add all the attribute of pen. So pen here, it's going to be as a general, and after that I say what? Pen color purple, comma, fill color orange, comma, pen size 10, pen speed, speed equal 9. The most important that I add the pen function and add the attributes here. So let's try to make all of that in one line to save a little bit of coding. So I'm going to leave this and I'm going to say here T.pen, open brackets. Now I can specify everything here. The pen color purple. So I can even copy this or cut it because I don't need it. But anyway, I can say pen color equal quotation purple, and you're gonna find something different here than the normal. Here we said pen color, we put the purple, but here we say equal because there is many attribute. So I finish with this one, so I remove this line, I don't need it. After that, fill color, so I'm gonna type fill color, and I'm gonna say equal double quotation orange, comma, I remove this line, I don't need it. Pen size, so I can say pen size equal, and here I don't have to put quotation. Pen size I said 10, maybe we can make it 5, it's enough. And comma, I can say again speed equal to 5. And I close the bracket, and don't forget I don't need these two lines. I remove them, and actually I can remove all of that. So I saved more lines, and I make everything in one line. All the attributes for pen, it's in one line. So now let's run it. Here we go. So whatever we ask, we have it. Purple is the pen color. The fill color, it's orange. The pen size, it's 5. The speed, it's 5. If I want to change from purple to blue, I can change it. If I want to change the color, the orange to red, I can change it without any problem, and I can run. And here we go, blue and red. So this is how we can fill. Don't forget, begin fill, end fill to fill the shape. And actually we can do more and more and more. If you need to, instead of all of that, I can replace it by a circle. I can say T circle, and you remember the circle, if I put the radius, let's say I'm gonna put radius 60, and I run it, it's gonna replace the triangle by a radius circle 60. And here we go, this is the result. I hope you understood this lesson, and now we're gonna go for some practice. Thank you for listening.